America's 50th state, Hawaii is a volcanic archipelago located in the heart of the Pacific Ocean. As it was the last state to join the U.S. in 1959, the islands still retain much of their unique Hawaiian identity. Due to all of the magnificent scenery, it's worth spending as much time as possible outdoors, either hiking among the volcanoes, surfing the surrounding waves, or snorkeling above its colorful coral reefs. Here's a look at the best places to visit in Hawaii. Number 10. Oahu's North Shore. Although the island of Oahu is the most visited of the Hawaiian Islands, most visitors head straight for the capital city of Honolulu. The island's North Shore is a little less touristy, and it offers some truly fantastic beaches. If you're into surfing, then you might already know that the North Shore boasts some of the best winter waves in the world. Head to Bonsai Pipeline to watch world-class surfers and even championship contests. Number 9. Molokai. Not all of the Hawaiian Islands have been developed at the same pace. Molokai is one of the least developed, but most scenic island in the state. Known as the Friendly Isle, Molokai has a unique history. The most famous attraction on the island is the Kalaupapa National Historic Park, which once served as a leper colony. Today, most visitors to Molokai come for the history as well as for the pristine, undeveloped beauty. Number 8. Hapuna Beach. The Big Island of Hawaii is home to a number of gorgeous beaches, but one of the very best is Hapuna Beach. It boasts a long stretch of fine white sand, and it is easy to find a spot away from other beachgoers. Hapuna is a top choice for families, and you can make the most of a beach day by bodyboarding or swimming. Towards one side of the beach, there are some reefs where you can even try snorkeling. Number 7. Ka'anapali Beach. On the western coast of Maui is Ka'anapali Beach, which is found just outside the tourist hub known as Lahaina. The gorgeous white sand beach boasts a number of rock monuments, many of which have historic or religious significance to local Hawaiians. The Black Rock is the most famous of these. The beach also offers a stunning boardwalk just over 2 miles long where you can take a stroll and admire the views of the Pacific Ocean. Number 6. Na Pali Coast. Dominating and defining the northwest of Kauai, The Na Pali Coast is one of Hawaii's most famous and photographed sites. Its gigantic, jagged cliffs rise to 1,200 meters above the sparkling waters of the Pacific Ocean, with scenic beaches and coves hidden below. As the rugged terrain is so inaccessible, the only way to visit is by hiking, kayaking, or helicopter, with phenomenal panoramas wherever you look. While it is famed for having featured in Jurassic Park, the grand and gorgeous stretch of coastline has appeared in numerous films and TV shows over the years. Number 5. Lanikai Beach. If you're searching for paradise on Earth, then head to Lanikai Beach. Located on the eastern coast of Oahu, Lanikai Beach is just a 30-minute drive from downtown Honolulu. However, it feels like a completely different world. Lanikai is Hawaiian for heavenly sea, and that is the perfect way to describe this half-mile stretch of coastal beauty. White sand, blue water, and shade from the occasional palm tree makes this a stunning place to explore. Number 4. Haleakala National Park. Haleakala is a shield volcano that forms more than half of the island of Maui. Also known as the East Maui Volcano, this summit tops more than 10,000 feet at its peak. The area surrounding the volcano is Haleakala National Park. Much of the park revolves around the enormous crater, which is comparable to a lunar landscape. If you hike along the PPY Trail, there are several pools where you can cool off with a refreshing swim. The 400-foot Waimoku Falls can be found at the end of the PPY Trail. Number 3. Waimea Canyon. Also known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, Waimea Canyon is one of the most amazing places to visit in Hawaii. The staggering size draws definite parallels to the Grand Canyon, but Waimea Canyon may be even more beautiful thanks to the plenty of greenery among the desert-like landscape. Clouds often roll in during the afternoon, so the clear mornings are the best time to explore the canyon. Camping is also possible for the intrepid traveler, allowing you to be there for the glorious sunrise in the morning. Number 2. Honolulu. No trip to Hawaii would be complete without spending time in Honolulu. This is by far the largest city in the island chain, the state capital, and a bustling, exciting place to explore. There is no shortage of things to do, but Waikiki is a popular choice for tourists and local surfers alike. For amazing views in Honolulu, climb up to the summit of the Diamond Head Crater, which overlooks Waikiki. Don't forget to visit Pearl Harbor, where the USS Arizona Memorial is the poignant centerpiece. Number 1. Hawaii volcanoes. Set on the Big Island in the Pacific, Hawaii Volcanoes National Park encompasses Mauna Loa. This massive volcano has a summit that, surprisingly, is sometimes covered in snow. The national park also features volcanic coasts made from cooled lava flows, rich rainforests, magnificent green meadows in the mountains, and geological formations such as lava tubes. Kilauea, a shield volcano in the national park, has erupted as recently as 2018. The last eruption quite literally changed the shape of the park itself, an insight into the power of nature. The park remains open, but some areas are understandably closed.